Go home happy with the 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 15,000 miles on the odometer. Performance with panache. That's what this striking IONIQ 5 delivers. Silky smooth power, connected tech, and standout styling come together beautifully in this stunning EV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, premium sound system, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor. Connect with your love of the journey in this tech-forward IONIQ 5. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.